Hello my friends, this is our second video for mentorship, and in this video I will give some information on tools and websites or web services you need to start with a mentorship. In our previous video we discussed about introduction and how you can join our discussion groups. I will put the same links in description of this video so you can join. And in this one we will start with tools and what you need to start is mentorship. So basically, first what you need for mentorship is to join our GitHub repository, because everything what we'll do as a part of mentorship will be on GitHub. And once you have a GitHub account, if you don't have a GitHub account, please you can just go to github.com and register. And after this, please make or add a star for this repository so I can see all our members, and when it is needed I will add you as a contributor so you can join this repository. That's the first step. Let me make this screen bigger. Next, what you need is Git and Python. I have few videos where I talk about these tools and show how you can install them. In this video I will just shortly show how you can download, for example, Python and Git. For this you just need to go to these websites and then move to download and just download. For me it will start, but again, okay. I already have Git and Python. For Python, please install Python 3.7 because our examples will be on Python 3.7. And that's it basically. So that's our main tools. You can also install an IDE where you will code, where you will put your code. I will use Visual Studio Code, so I highly recommend using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any editor, any IDE, for example atom.io or any others. You can even use Notepad or Notepad++ because we will have very simple text. And once you have all these tools, you can start with our repository. For now we don't have anything in our repository because in this video I wanted to give some basics on how you can start, because we have beginners in our mentorship program. So do follow all the steps, install Git, Python and IDE for coding. Also make sure that you follow this repository because we will have everything in this repository. And now I will just show how you can download this and use this repository in your local machine. Of course, for this you can just use this link here and download zip file. And also, if you have Git installed, you can just go to Git to console or terminal. I already did this, but I will just move one folder up, create a temporary directory. Make there temp. And do the same in temporary directory. For this so first you need to install Git, and then you can do, we'll make code bigger, and then you can do Git, clone and link here. So you need to go to repository, then clone it here and put in your terminal. So you need to put Git, clone and repository's name. It will download and set up your folder, and after this you can just move Python mentorship folder. As I said, right now we don't have anything in our repository. It is just license and readme file. We also have gitignore file for Python. With our next videos I will add some example applications and assignments for mentorship program. That's it for this video. Our next video will be about how we can submit questions. I want to keep videos separately so we can have structure for our mentorship program. It will be like a course for Python beginners, so you can follow each step separately. But for this video, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you you are in this repository, just make it start. So just click here and see you in next video. Bye bye.